Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. आज पर गोब्रो गवर्नमेंट UPS वार जून मावर क्लास पर 7th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश यथ मे पर फेस शोविंग तो डेट आज डेट गोमुत डेट आज 22/8/2020 तो यथ मे पर आज करन यथ यह सवाल now fill in the blanks with idioms given in the box. You may change the tense if necessary. यम फ्रेजेस करन इस्तेमाल यम जन idioms यम जन मुहावरे burst into laughter, cut to the quick, cut a sorry figure, feel at a loss, to make both ends meet, a bone of contention, call a speed, all and sundry. He told us an interesting joke. All of us burst into laughter. Timas won so joke ऐसे लगी आसने burst into laughter ये गोड़े की किसी में लिखूँ मत जे कुछ आंसर ये लो burst into laughter. But his father is a poor man. It is difficult for him to make both ends meet. To make both ends meet. Go doimis lagi to make both ends meet. Lagi doimis. Pachi tremis the rich man invited dash to the wedding of his daughter. At lagi all and sundry. So Byak chu Surim Gandhiji never told a lie. He always cut to the quick. Pach Byak, this piece of land has become dash between the two brothers. Aaj kya like a bone of contention. Pochmis. Pach Byak, when he heard the answer, he was dash. He was dash. He was dash. He was when he is shame is like call a speed. Pachu when Rahim Babi told the narrator that the previous year he had also been in the 9th class, he dashed for words and could not bear to stand in front of her. He felt at a loss. So it means like he fell at a loss. Pachutim, if you do not study properly, you will dash in the examination. You will dash in the examination. You will cut a sorry figure. It means like you will cut a sorry figure. But grammar work grammar work he will be marrying the girl of his own choice. She will be studying in the evening tomorrow. The underlined words in the above sentence are in future continuous or progressive tense. Yim zana yim pretkanik words future continuous. Evening tomorrow. So bas tawai chat ing laga. We use future progressive tense to indicate action that will be taking place in the future. Using a progressive future issue tense using indicate karan charge dama yas gasi future man in will is or we use will, shall, be present participle ing for the verb in this tense. तवै छ अस ing करन अत इस्तेमाल अत future tense मज कर ing इस्तेमाल. We use will with all subjects. We can use shall with I or we. Shall येल करो या तथ लग I or will सत. तो will कर प्रथ कुन सब्जेक्टस मज इस्तेमाल. दपान वो करू से fill in the blanks. Future continuous or progressive tense of the verb given brackets. यमन छ बनावन future continuous. इथा पछ we dash English this time tomorrow. गो यम छ future tense. अत लगे we will be learning. Learn अत लगाओ learning. We will be learning English this time tomorrow. Pach byak the sun dash this time tomorrow. The sun will be rising. Will be shining. Shine your kind as like will be shining tomorrow. I like cricket. I dash a cricket match at 9 p.m. tonight. Watching. Suppose watch we as like will be watching. Will be watching. Suppose byak when he reaches home, his son dash for him. That is wait. It's like will be waiting. When he reaches home, his son will be waiting for him. But they dash a match this time tomorrow. Play. They dash for us when the train arrives. Wait will be waiting. तमास train हुन इंतजार करा. They dash a match this time. So playing will be playing. Do not phone me after 10 o'clock. I dash sleeping. I will be sleeping. I will be sleeping. Because when you reach there, you should say dash a book, read. Will be reading. I shall be listening to the news at 9 or tomorrow. या जे I हो जे I वुचु तय या जे I वी क्या इस्तेमाल shall. इथा पे तवा या जे I shall be listening. I shall be listening to the news at 9 a.m. tomorrow. तो यार बस मकला लेसन आज गबरो तो शुक्रिया अस्सलाम वालेकुम.